This is Mel Bay, grade 1, page 7. What you have here is you're starting on the E string. That's this string here, the first string. Okay? So E is open, and it's in between these two lines. That's kind of how I remember it. E, there's two E's in the word in between. F is first finger, first fret. So if you're just starting out, I recommend getting used to having your middle finger, or I'm sorry, your thumb behind the second fret, middle fret, here between the first and third. And then when you play the G with your third finger, it should just land on the third fret. You shouldn't have to stretch. If you're too far up here, it's gonna land at a bad spot, and you want to be right behind the fret as you are holding a note. So keep your thumb where it's comfortable. First fret, third fret, open. Okay, so you have E, which is in between the two lines up top in the space of the staff. You have F, what I just played on the first fret, and it's going through the line. I strongly recommend sight reading and not writing the notes above, or the letters of the notes above the lines of music. G is sitting on top. F is going through the line, going through the first line. So a good way to remember what F is, what it looks like, is it's going through the first, and F is the first letter in the word first. Get it? So that is F. G is sitting on top, kind of like a G. So whatever you need to use to help yourself, that's kind of how I teach, and that's what I use. So again, E is open, and I just play picking downward. That's E, F, G. So let's go through the notes on the E string, page 7. Okay, so I'm playing the whole notes here. And you can play it with me. I'm going to count to 4, and then I will begin playing. So I'll start with the tempo at just a medium type of pace. Get comfortable. Get your thumb behind the second fret. Get used to going like this first. That helps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 4. G, 2, 3, 4. G, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So those were the whole notes that you just played. And whole notes receive 4 beats. Okay, you should have your book in front of you. Hopefully you do. The next is the half notes. So play this along with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, G, 4. F, 2, 3, 4. E, 2. Rest for 2. Quarter notes receive 1 beat each. Every measure gets how many beats? 4. Okay? So in this measure here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're whole notes, half notes, quarter notes. Okay, so you're going to play 4 quarter notes per measure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. Rest. Hopefully that helps. Slow it down if you need to. And on to the next page.